channel. This is Tom Caldwell with TomCaldwellOnline.com, where you learn to earn money online without wasting time and money. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to create a social media content plan and execute that plan so that you build know, like, and trust with your audience. So let's get right into the video. We're going to go to my blog post and we'll cover these details. Here we are on my blog, Tom Caldwell Online, where you learn how to make money online. And the title of our video today is how to plan your social media post. And this blog post and video is day 6 of my training entitled How to Set Up Your Online Business and Get It Running in 7 days or more. Learn how to create social media content plan. It is imperative to create a social media content plan and execute that plan on a daily basis. Make a list of 30 content social media post ideas, and for the next 90 days, challenge yourself to use the list and create one post per day, then share that post 3 times per day on at least 3 separate social media websites. The goal here is to build rapport with your audience. Your audience is more likely to purchase products and services via your affiliate links when they know, like, and trust you. This is very important, so let me repeat the process one more time. Each day, create one social media post and post it on social media accounts. Post the same post morning, noon, and evening. This gives you the advantage and makes it more likely for a larger share of your audience to see your post. Promote, excuse me. Promote your weekly blog post. 1 day per week, make an announcement to your audience that you have published a new blog post and share it in the morning, midday, and evening on all your social media platforms this time. Now here is a infographic with 50 social media post ideas, and this graphic is from AngieGinlisser.com, and there you can see the social media in the infographic. Customize these social media post ideas to fit your niche or industry. Make it a point to answer your audience's questions, offer solutions, and occasionally promote a blog. Occasionally promote a product. The product that you promote should make a task faster, easier, or safer. Products should always be useful to your audience and provide a solution. And remember, only 20% of your content should be promotional. So this means don't spam your audience constantly with promotional offers. So let's go over the social media post ideas that we found in this graphic above. Number 1, before and after. Number 2, funny meme. Number 3, short video tip. Number 4, behind the scene. Number 5, sneak peek. Number 6, flat lay or styled image. And in order to create your image, use canva.com to design your graphic. And Canva is free to use. Number 7, video announcement. Number 8, industry article. Number 9, answer facts and questions, FAQs. Number 10, industry facts. Number 11, infographic. Also use Canva to create your infographic. Number 12, time-saving tips. Number 13, money sharing tip. Oh, I'm sorry, money saving tip. Number 14, solve a problem. Number 15, favorite resource. Number 16, favorite tool or software. Number 17, favorite product or service. Number 18, favorite influencer. Number 19, share gratitude. Number 20, share a fan photo. Number 21, mention a follower. Number 2, mention an influencer. Number 23, thank your followers. 24, take a poll. 25, this or that. Number 26, would you rather? Number 27, if you could. Number 28, fill in the blank. Number 29, federal or religious holiday. Number 30, national day. 31, trending news event. Number 32, viral video. Number 33, fun fact. 34, share a hobby. 35, glimpse into a family time. 36, explore your city. 37, book or your reading or offer a free consultation. 38, relaxation spot. 39, inspirational quote. 40, personal mantra. 41, new blog post. 42, repurpose old content. 43, share popular content. 44, free printable. 45, product or service. 46, testimonial. 47, promote your newsletter. 38, promote your social profile. 49, conduct a contest. And number 50, run a special. And here is bonus. Here is the bonus for you. Bonus social media post ideas. And this infographic is from Kat Sullivan at Marketing Solved. And there you can see the infographic. And then I list not all 70, but several of the ideas that Kat offers us. Now for our conclusion, if you put in the work, social media posts can be a valuable free promotional tool for your brand and products. Here are the steps one more time. Customize the social media post ideas found in this blog post to fit your particular business. Number 2, create one post per day. Step number 3, share that post on 3 or more social platforms 3 times per day, morning, mid, and evening. Now it's all up to you. Take action and make your list of 36 social media post ideas and get started posting one post 3 times per day on 3 social media platforms. Now, if you are serious about earning money online so that you can have time freedom and financial freedom, then you need to watch this video. This video may be the most important video you watch all year. So click the button below. Okay, I'd like to thank you for visiting my channel again and watching this video. If you found value in this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below would be greatly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any valuable training that I post. And I try to post a video each week or more often. Thanks a lot and have a great day.